Assalamu alaikum to all. This is Bali, and in today's lab, we will understand the file transfer protocol configuration. So, for that, I will create a network topology and which includes two PCs, one router, one server, and a switch. So, let's take the devices and make a physical connection. So here I have made a physical connection between the devices. Now I will assign the IPs to each device. So let's assign the IPs uh, from router. So in the router there are two ports. One is connected to the server and other is connected to the switch. So the first port will be considered as connected to the server. So let's on the port status, and I will assign IP 10.10.10.1. I will click, and the second port is for to connect with the switch. So I will assign it 192.168.10.1. I will click on the enter button. I have assigned it. Now I'll assign to the PC1. So I will assign it 192.168.10.2. Click on OK, and its default gateway will be router's IP, that is 192.168.10.1. So let's click on OK. And for this, I will assign IP 192.168.10.3. And its default gateway will also be the same 192.168.10.1. And now I will also assign the IP to the server. And from here, I will change the name to the FTP server. And as for same network, we know that the IP should be of same class. So I will assign it 10.10.10.2, and subnet mask will be same, and its default gateway will be 10.10.10.1. After assigning the IPs, if I want to this server act like a FTP server, I have to go to the services, and from services I have to click on the, here you can see the different services are available. So I will click on the FTP service, and from FTP service here you can see FTP service is on, and I have to give a username in which I will give my name Ali, and password will be 1234. So here are the operations permissions are required. So I want this FTP to read, write, delete, rename only, not list. So I will add this. So here I have add this FTP, and now I will go to the desktop, and of all I have to create a text file which I will be sending from one PC to another PC. So this text file will contain, hey bro, how are you? So I will save this. I will save this as hey. Okay, so now I will go to the command prompt and write a command ping and the IP of the server 10.10.10.2. So here you can see the packets are sent and received successfully, means that our server is working properly. So now in the FTP server, so I will type a command FTP and the IP of the FTP 10.10.2. So it will ask the username, and my username was Bali, and the password. So here I will give my password, but you can't see this, so I will give it 1 2 3 4. So I have given my password to it and it is successfully logged in. So now I have to upload my file on the server. So for that there is an instruction put, and I will give a my file name, that is text file hey.txt. So here you can see that writing file hey.txt on this IP, that is server, and file transfer processing, and file is completed, transfer completed. So in this way we will upload a file on the FTP server. And now I want to access that file from the second from the another PCR and other host. So I will I will go to the PC and command prompt. So here you can see this whole scenario. uh, this is because the clear command is not working here, so I will try to enter, and like this seems clear. So from FTP I will uh, give an instruction, that is get and file name, that is hey.txt. So here you can see reading file hey.txt from IP. So our file is downloaded successfully. So here you can see. So that's all for today. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed it.